Hi and welcome to Eyeson. Today I'm going to show you how to change the video stream aspect ratio of your video meetings to widescreen. To do that, you simply have to start the video call with a specific parameter. You can find this parameter in our API reference. To go there, go to eyeson.com, click on Developers and then on API Docs. Once you open the API reference, search for widescreen or scroll down to the Eyeson room parameters and you will find all your options. Once you generated your API key, you can start a video meeting using a simple curl request. You only need your API key for authorization and a username. And of course you can add any of the parameters found in the API reference, like the widescreen option, which we are going to enable for this meeting. Now, let's filter the output for better visibility for this tutorial. Here you can see all the video meeting parameters or options listed. As you see, widescreen is now enabled. Now we can join the meeting with the graphical user interface link provided here. And we will also join some guest users with the guest join link provided here, so you can really see the widescreen aspect ratio in the meeting. Okay, let's copy-paste the graphical user interface link into the browser and join the meeting. That's it. This is the automatic layout in our new widescreen aspect ratio. Now let's change to another layout. Let's choose 4 to better see the widescreen aspect ratio as compared to our old 4:3 aspect ratio layouts. Here you go. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, please visit eyeson.com and get in touch with us.